Before you start grilling, you want to clean your grate a little bit. I use a plastic grill scraper. Metal will get in your food and get in people's bodies, and that's a horrible hospital trip, so I wouldn't recommend that. So get yourself a plastic scraper. I put the grill plate on, then I close the lid just for a few minutes. I want everything to heat up in there and get really nice and hot, so when I scrape it, it scrapes a lot easier. Rising pretty fast there. It's been a few minutes here. Grill is about 450. Take this off. Get our scraper, and we're just gonna scrape away here. And since we gave the grill time to heat up, stuff is coming right off. There's a twist here. That's why you use gloves, so you don't burn yourself. Hopefully I don't burn my mic cord. And yeah, just give it a good scrape. And because you're using plastic, you don't have to worry about getting any metal things in people's food. And they'll thank you for it. Oh yeah, that's good to go. All right, one final thing is we have to prep the grates here. What I do is I take a paper towel and I coat it with some oil. You see people spraying stuff all over their grill. That's just stupid. So I'm kind of just getting a decent amount of oil on here. That's good. It's probably too good actually. Look at that, it's a puddle. Oh. Okay, burp. Then I get my tongs, clamp it, give it a rub. Helps prevent things from sticking. Helps make your grates last longer, so they say. And if you do it every single time, it will really build up some decent non-stickiness. And as you can see, it helps clean up a little bit too after you're done scraping. So definitely give those a little wipe with oil. So all right, that is basically how you set up a charcoal grill here. I have mine set up for indirect heating, but thanks for watching. Hope you learned a couple things. Hope you have a good day.